Well folks, in today's video we're going to be making a Long Island iced tea. The ingredients you need are tequila, Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur, rum, I'm using Havana but any rum will do, vodka and gin, I'm using Bombay but again any Bombay will do. There's two ways of making the Long Island iced tea. If you're only having a couple of drinks, use the second way, but if you plan to have a few drinks, use the first way. The first way, you would use a measuring jug and use about 50 tequila, 50 Cointreau, 50 rum, 50 vodka and 50 gin, all into the measuring jug, and then pour it straight into a bottle like this. And then now if I was going to make a drink, I would just use 50 ml straight out of this bottle into a shaker with 20 ml lime, shake it, and then that's it, ready to go. But because of the video, I'll show you how you would make it for one. So it's all 10 ml and all this, so it's a fairly wee drink. That's why I suggest using two or making a few at once. So it's 10 ml tequila, 10 ml Cointreau, 10 ml Havana, 10 ml vodka, 10 ml gin. And then 20 ml lime. And then ice in your shaker and give it a good shake. And put ice in the glass as well. So a good 5-second shake. Strain into your highball glass, or if you don't have a highball glass, any glass will do, it'll not matter. Strain it in, and then add more ice because you don't want too much Coke. You can top up the Coke after. So I'm just using ordinary Coke, but if you want you can use Diet Coke. So fill up. If you think it is too strong, use more Coke. Give it a wee mix in. Then garnish with a lime. If I was drinking this, when I'm drinking this, I'll have a few sips and then top it up as I go with Coke, and then I'll dilute it as you drink it anyway. But if it's too strong, just top up or use less ice and then I'll fill it up with Coke. But there you go folks, that's how you make a Long Island iced tea. Enjoy folks, cheers.